What's up, everybody? Today we have a few tool deals from various places. But before we get into today's video, I want to invite you to join the Facebook group. I post deals there. So just join the Facebook group and you'll see deals much sooner than on YouTube. Also, I qualify for Super Thanks now. So what Super Thanks is when you guys, if I help you save some money in these tool deals, if you want to show your appreciation, you can leave me a thanks and give me a little tip. If I helped you save the $100 here, Nick, buy me a cup of coffee or something like that. That would be greatly appreciated. All right, so first up, we have Tool Barn. So I just wanted to gloss over this real quick and remind you guys that the Metabo HPT deal with a free battery or a free starter kit is still live. And these are 4 amp hour batteries. Especially with these $199 kits, it's basically buy one, get one free. You can find the starter kit used for like $150 or something like that, but if you're buying it from an authorized retailer, it's $200. So you're getting this rear handle saw, which is best in class. You're getting a true buy one, get one free. You're getting $400 worth of stuff for $200. Mid torque impact, I got it. I got that. I got all this stuff. I'm telling you, they good. All right, lifetime warranties, IP56 rated. Do it. Anyway, moving on to Walmart. I found these, completely by accident, but I've been looking for one of these like months ago for my mom. I have this orange Tacklife right here. It's amazing. I've been trying to make videos on it. They just come out weird though, so I don't think I posted any. I'm pretty sure I haven't, but this thing is excellent, and I paid more than $60, I think, for it. And it's been as high as like $110. It was over $100 for a while since they got booted from Amazon. I know, yes, they got booted from Amazon for their reviews, but I'm telling you, most of those reviews are free. I think they were just like giving people free stuff or like rewarding people for reviews. But their stuff is good, though. I have quite a few Tacklife items. This in particular works great. Now, if it were me, like I said, I have the orange one, and it's 800 amps. I would probably go for the T8 Pro. I think this is the T8, and this is the T8 Pro, this lime green one, because it's 1200 amps. That 18,000 milliamp hour battery. I had this thing for almost two years. Yeah, 2 years now, and I've only charged it twice, and that was recently. The second time was like 2 weeks ago, and it was only down to like 83%. And I've used it. I can't even count how many times. So there you have it. These are great. Moving on, Hyper Tough. Oh, I probably should mention Rakuten is giving you cash back at Tool Barn. Boom, 2%. Retail me not nothing. But they also have some coupon deals here too. So it's $5 off $125. You get sign up using my link, you get $30 bonus cash back in addition to the 2% cash back. Same for Walmart. So rack it up with Rakuten. Oh, that should be their slogan. They need to pay me. Rack it up with Rakuten. Oh my God. If I see them do that, I'm suing them. And y'all are my witnesses that I made that up. So anyway, you get the Hyper Tough Island Keys. These are the long boys. It's actually kind of hard to find. And for $5 with the ball on the end, that's pretty good. Hyper Tough doesn't make terrible tools. I wouldn't buy their power tools or nothing like that, but they're like trailer hitches and little hand tools like this. Absolutely on clearance like this, $5. There you go. So let's move on to Amazon. We have some more Metabo HPT deals. Now, y'all know I'm normally an advocate for the 36 volt stuff because they're hybrid tools. You can plug them in, you can use the battery. But this is a pretty good deal here, okay? So their 18 volt tools work with 36 volt batteries as well. And it just extends, it doubles the amp hours. So if you have a 4 amp hour 36 volt battery on these 18 volt tools, it makes it an 8 amp hour battery. But this kit here comes with 2 batteries. I don't know what size they are, but they come with 2 batteries. I'm assuming 2 amp hours. No, 1.5 amp hour batteries. Impact driver, drill, charger, bag, $129, but which is a good deal. Lifetime warranties, Uh, but in addition to that, look, you can pair it with a bandsaw. Don't get this bandsaw though, because it's like the smallmouth bandsaw. So ignore that. Pair it with the finish nailer. Now, for a while, they had that finish nailer deal. Acme still has it. You buy the finish nailer, you get a brad nailer for free, and it's like $4.28. But here, you're getting quite a bit of stuff for just the price of the brad. I mean, excuse me, for just the price of the finish nailer, you're getting this whole extra two-tool kit. The pin nailer, $2.78. I don't have any experience with the pin nailer. The angle grinder, that's not a bad price for everything. But the angle grinder, I don't think mine looks like that. But the angle grinder's all right. It's okay. You have the oscillating tool, $2.28. That's a regular price. That's regular price for that. So that's not a super huge deal. The planer, I don't have any experience with that either. Have no idea how much this will cost regularly. And this right angle drill, it's a right angle drill. It's not that much to say about it, but $100-something for a right angle drill, no thanks. I think I got my Milwaukee one for like $35. So anyway, but you can go through these. The finish nailer one is good, and then just the regular kit itself is pretty good. Angle grinder is normally $200 itself, so keep that in mind. And it's okay. It's pretty good. I use it. I have it. And it's not bad. Real quick with the angle grinder, notice it is the paddle. So I have the switch version, and so there's that. But this does look like an older model though, that angle grinder. So keep that in mind. Anyway, moving on. We have this Freeman pneumatic flooring nailer. I didn't really read what this was, and be honest with you, I didn't read what it was. I forgot. I normally go through that. I thought it was a brad nailer at first glance, but it's because I saw 18 gauge and I just stopped. But it's a flooring nailer. So you have this flooring nailer. Reviews are great. It is $53, and we can even verify with Honey that it's actually a 26% price drop, not this 58% they talking. So there you have it. That is almost today's deals. We have one more. So along with these nailers, we have some BNC Eagle round head framing nails, $500 in a box for $18. Those are some cheap nails. Okay, those are really inexpensive. So if you need some round head nails, there you go. So those are today's deals. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.